Do you want to know what is this section and why do we have in the word program? And also, do you want to style your paragraph or your text? In this video, we are going to talk about. So, let's continue together. Hi guys, welcome back. Here is Wali Ahmad Mohammadi with a new lesson of the style group in the home tab of learning Microsoft Word. We have some sections here and some styles that were given to us. So in this video, we are going to talk about all of these and we are going to test everything that we have here. But before that, let me write a paragraph, testing paragraph for myself. And I'm going to select, just let me press enter here. And now I'm going to select everything that I have. If I press on normal here, you will see that my text is normal. So if I press it, there will not be any other change. But if I press on no space, you will see that the space I have between lines will be removed. Inshallah, at the end I will talk about headings, but now there is another section which is title. If I have any title, I will click on that and then, or I will select that, no problem. If it is just one line, you can just click on that, on that. Your cursor need to be in that line. If you now press on title, everything that there is in that title will become changed and will have the title style that the word make that, or the default word has that. I will just click here. But if I also select, let me select it, and now if I press on the title, there will not be any other difference. The next section that we have, there is two types of style that we have for the subtitles. Like this that I have here, learning Microsoft Word from zero to hero with Wali Ahmad Mohammadi. There are two subtitles that I can have. One is this one. If I click, you will see it's like this. And then another one is this one. I should tell you that there is not anything else more than using of these bold, style, italic, underline, and also the size of the font. Just that's it. But the Word by default gives this style for us, that we use them and we start working with them instead of making them from zero. So they are very helpful for us if we need them to use. And at the end of this video, I'm going to give you a gift. And sometimes we have some problem with the text, then inshallah, then you will know. And the other place and the other thing that I'm going to tell you is this emphasize, used when you emphasize on something. Let me click on that. You will see that my paragraph changed. Let me select a paragraph completely, and now I will click on this. You will see that it's emphasized, or it became italic. No difference. I can have a paragraph intense and emphasize. Just I will come here and then I will click on intense emphasize. You will see the color of the paragraph changed and also the style of that changed too. I will select another paragraph and now I'm going to click on strong. The only thing it is going to do is just make our paragraph bold and nothing else. The second section is sometimes you want to have a specific style for a quote or something that you want to say from the other people. For example, if I'm going to say a sentence from Einstein or any other person, Nelson Mandela, and so on, pretend that it's a quote or it's a speech or someone else thought or someone else topic, or reading, or maybe writing, or anything else. I will just click on here, quote. It becomes the style of that maybe you have ever seen till now on the book if you study. Or let me click on this type. There is also another one that you can choose from that. This is the other style that we have for the code, or some others persons or some other people that said something, and you want to copy that and use that in your reading or in your writing or in your article or book and anything else. Let me tell you the sentence. Consider this, or imagine this sentence is from Nelson Mandela. I will write his name, Nelson Mandela. Yeah, I don't know if it's correct or not. Let me right click here. Nelson, I think it's better. So I have Nelson Mandela here. Now the sentence is from him. I am going to design that too. I'm going to click on subtitle reference. It's a reference that this topic or this sentence that I have used is from Nelson Mandela. Sometimes the style that I used here, subtitle reference, we use that at the end of the book for naming some person, or at the cover page that you want to write the name of the person who wrote the book. You can use this style there too. We have other styles. Let me show them to you. Intense reference too. You can use that here. There is another reference section. And also we have book title you can use. Let me click here and select and make it book title. And also we have list paragraph. If you want to design your paragraph like list, you can select your paragraphs, and then on the list paragraph you can choose that. That was everything that we had about the styles, but the only thing I have left is about the headings. The first thing that I should tell you, heading is the most important part in the word program if you are going to write a monograph, article, or anything else. First, you should find your titles that you are going to write about them. For example, if I want to write a book on or a topic about the word program, my titles and my heading are going to be going to be the tabs first, because in the file tab I will have some issues to talk about. In the home tab too, insert, draw, design, layout. These tabs are going to be my headings. So I am going to write like that. But if you didn't understand and my mean, inshallah, you can just ask at the comment section and I will answer there too. Let me write something. My topic is about learning MS Word with Wali Ahmad Mohammadi, and the first heading is going to be the file section, and just I will write file. Now I'm going to add some more info about file, so I will just click the run, and 2 paragraphs is enough for this. It's enough. And now it's the file tab is going to be my heading. Just I will come here and I will press on heading number 1. Why do I click that? I will tell you. The next heading that it is going to be is home. Let me write home section, and home tab is going to be the next heading of myself, and it is going to have 5 paragraphs. It's enough for that. And I will click it, or I will select that, and I will press on the heading number 1. The other heading is going to be the insert, and I will just come here. It's also going to be heading number 1, and it's going to have 5 paragraphs, and also design and draw. I will write just design here. It's enough. Design is also going to be the number 1, and just 2 paragraphs is enough here. All the headings that I have wrote were heading number 1. If I have subheading that it's going to relate to heading number 1, it's going to be number 2. If there is a heading that's relate to number 2, it's going to be number 3, and also the same goes on. Let me write to understand it much more. I'm going to start typing about the clipboard group. I will just write clipboard. And it's enough. You know that clipboard is belong to the word tab. So here I have set some issues, some more info about that. And now it's not going to be heading number 1. Why? Because I have it here and it's going to be heading number 2. The next one, font group, it's also related to heading number 1. And just I will design that and I will write that. Now I will just press heading number 2. And so on. Paragraph, styles, data, these are related to heading number 1. I just click on heading number 2. The same like that, if you just want to add much more issues about heading that's related to heading number 2, it's going to be number 3, number 4, and so on. And the font group that I have here, may I have some title or some heading about bold and fonts. Let me write like that. Fonts family. Font family is better. Font family is related to the font. It was heading number 2. And font relate to home, that was heading number 1. So now it's going to be heading number 3. That's great. I will just click here and heading number 3 is going to be my heading. That is enough for this video, inshallah. In the next video, we are going to talk about the editing section. If you had any question, just you can write in the comment section and I'm going to answer. Have a great time. Goodbye. See you in the next video.